In this video, I will show you how to use Google Translate in Facebook Messenger. Firstly, when you open up the application and when you go up and take a chat with someone, for example, you go for, and now if you doesn't understand what is not going on that session, you need simply to get that Google Translate and get the word known by yourself. Now you need just simply to copy that site, and now guys, I need to mention that there is no option by getting up and simply translating these sites on your messenger through the application. First you need to go to your browser and type for Google Translate. Then when you get up right over here, you need to detect the language on it. You can simply switch that side, and for example you'll go with Macedonian and go with English. I will just go on this side and just go paste, and now as you can see here, that translating session has been added right over here, and now you know guys how to getting on this site.